everybody, today for the Children's Day, I'm gonna make a video about me. I'm Riya. I'm 5 years old and I have 2 little sisters. They are Arya and Yara. And I love to play with them. I am messier than you think. And I spill water, I don't tie my hair, and my room won't be clean. I break my toys as well. I love to explore, walk around my garden, go to fun places, have adventures, and have a lot of fun. I enjoy experimenting. I like to try new recipes and new outfits. And I love trying out my mom's makeup. It all can look silly and stupid, but I still love it so much. For a child like me, it's all about learning. I learn from making little mistakes. I learn from exploring and experimenting. Dear elders, I know it's tough to handle kids like me. Don't forget that you can correct our little mistakes, but with lots of love and appreciation. Happy Children's Day once again.